wanted to show you this door that's on a rail that covers the bathroom. That's 6.6 feet long. The door rests on these hinges with wheels. It's rubber, so you can't really damage it. You can hit it like this and just close it. And that's on both ends. You can really close it. You can choose any kind of door you like. So we like this mirror because it goes well with the room. When you attach it, just make sure that it's on wood, not just on drywall, so you have a nice solid base for it. It's attached with 2 bolts and 2 screws at the back. The way the hinges come on and off, it's very easy. It just lifts up and then you slide it back down. If you're looking for an easy way to change up the look or improve the look of a door, either in the living room or a bathroom, you can just have any style of door. So whether it's a mirror or a door, just attach it to the hinges and you have a nice door.